My family moved here to the Austin area in 1986, so we've been coming to Dr. Ragsdale the whole time we've lived here. She's the only dentist we've had since we moved here, and we find no reason to go look for another dentist. We just love everything about her practice. And what I really like about her is her sensitivity to pain when she's working on a patient. She takes extra care to make sure, even with the pre-anesthetic, that you don't feel any pain. We always feel welcomed here and, feel like the staff, treats us like family. They're always so cordial and welcoming. And we also notice that among her staff, when we see the interaction between them, they're very kind to each other and treat each other just like family as well. Our children have all been patients of hers, and we now have grandchildren who are patients of hers. And we will keep coming here, and I hope she, will continue her practice for many years to come.